Shopify versus OpenCart, two e-commerce giants, one showdown, which one truly delivers. On the left, Shopify, the all-in-one platform made for rapid growth. On the right, OpenCart, open source flexibility built for the hands-on coder. Let's skip the buzzwords and get into what actually matters. We'll score each category so you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. So here's the battle plan, let's map this out. We're comparing Shopify and OpenCart across price, ease of use, features and apps, security and hosting, scalability and performance, support, internationalization, and SEO and marketing. Yeah, that's a lot, but trust me, each piece matters if you want your store to actually thrive, not just survive. Let's kick things off with price. Shopify, keeps things pretty transparent. You see those monthly plans up front and hosting is bundled in, so no sneaky costs there. But you'll be looking at $29 a month just to get rolling. And if you're not using their payment gateway, yep, transaction fees sneak in too. Now, OpenCart, you ready for this? It's totally free to download and no monthly fees, which honestly feels amazing at first. But wait, hosting, SSL, and those handy add-ons, you pay for them all separately. Sometimes you end up spending more than you expected. So with dollars and cents, OpenCart wins this round, but only if you're cool juggling those extra costs. Next up, ease of use. Shopify's setup is literally beginner heaven. You sign up, you're guided through the whole thing, and it's got this super polished interface. Even if you're brand new, you'll be like, okay, I've got this. Small catch. If you want to tweak your shop's code, you might need to rope in a developer. Now OpenCart. This one, honestly, it's for the tech-y crowd. Super flexible if you love getting your hands dirty, but the learning curve is no joke. Updates, installations, custom stuff, it's all manual. If you're not comfy with code, brace yourself. Shopify definitely sweeps the ease of use category. Let's talk features and apps. Shopify, it's bonkers how much you get. There are more than 8,000 apps, that's wild. They even have AI tools so you can generate product descriptions and stuff without breaking a sweat. Want to sell on TikTok, Amazon, Insta, all that's built right in. And their POS system rocks if you have a real-life shop. Downside, sometimes those super advanced features come with extra fees. OpenCart, though, has 1,500 plus extensions. Nice. But some of those are a little rough around the edges, and honestly you'll find yourself manually plugging things in that with Shopify just kinda work. So yeah, Shopify takes this one too, no contest. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Shopify powers over 4 million e-commerce sites globally? Wild. But get this, OpenCart's open source code is downloaded more than 500,000 times every single year. So yeah, both have massive followings, you just pick the vibe you want. On to security and hosting. Shopify's basically set it and forget it, PCI DSS compliant, hosting included, SSL, and all the updates happen behind the scenes. The only thing is, you don't get to poke around the hosting settings if you're a control freak. Now, OpenCart lets you pick your own host, which is cool if you love tweaking performance, but you've got to stay on top of security patches yourself. SSL, you add that, miss an update, and well, you're gonna sweat about hackers. Shopify nails security and hosting hands down. Scalability and performance. Shopify's like, bring it on. It handles huge sales days, barely flinches, and scales up automatically. Your shop will stay online even when you go viral. Hey, it could happen. For super custom stuff, you may need a pricier plan, but most folks are covered. With OpenCart, yeah, you can scale, but you'll probably need an expert for anything fancy. How it performs totally depends on your hosting chops. So again, Shopify is built for growth. OpenCart is fine if you love geeking out over hosting configs. Let's talk support. Shopify rolls deep, 24/7 live chat, phone help, giant help docs. If you get stuck at 3 a.m., someone's there. Honestly, that's huge if you're running a store. OpenCart. The community's helpful and docs are decent, but don't expect a hotline. Most support is forum posts, so you need some patience. Shopify wins on support, no doubt. Now, internationalization, this is actually closer. Shopify gets you going with apps for multi-currency and multilingual, plus those tax and localization features, but you guessed it, most is via add-ons. OpenCart. With the right extensions, you can sell anywhere and offer any language, but a lot of it's manual, less plug and play. So honestly, they're neck and neck, just different flavors. Alright, last category, SEO and marketing. Shopify comes loaded with SEO tools, automation, analytics, and apps to run ads, email campaigns, social posts, whatever you need. You might need to pay for the advanced stuff though. OpenCart has basic SEO baked in, and there are extensions, but you'll be doing a lot manually. If you want those bells and whistles fast, Shopify's the pick. Quick visual for you, imagine a radar chart where Shopify's just stretching out way ahead on ease of use, support, features, security. You get this awesome all-in-one coverage. OpenCart's biggest spike is price, especially if you know how to wrangle your own hosting, but overall, Shopify just fills out the chart more fully. So what's the real scoop? Shopify is honestly perfect if you're an entrepreneur, a growing small biz, or just want everything simple and silky smooth, even as your sales go nuts. OpenCart is great if you're a tech person, you want total control, and you don't mind rolling up your sleeves to keep things running. Both are legit, but Shopify's just easier and more ready for scale. Found this breakdown helpful? Hey, stick around, compare even more e-commerce platforms with us. Your perfect store is just one deep dive away.